Let's continue. In DAG file, we forgot to add flow. First, we are asking to start, then create raw, load raw, bronze layer, silver layer, gold layer, and end. We have to mention this one. So last session we did not add this one, but we ran our DAG. That's what we got error. Let me start with localhost 8080, then search retail retail orders pipeline, check code is added or not. Code is added. Now let's execute. Now let's execute DAG. Click on run. So DAG is started. Load is completed. Branch executing branch layer. Branch is completed. Silver is executing. Previously, all the layers are executed parallelly. That's what we see the no data. Yeah. Now everything executed sequentially. Let's go to our e-commerce project. Okay. Now let's check select star from raw underscore orders. You can see the data. Now select star from bronze layer. You can see the data. Now let's execute to select silver table. You can see the data. Now let's execute gold table. You can see the data. Okay. Once again, if you have a question, let me drop the data so that let's rerun so that you will get a clear clarity. Complete table, truncate table. Table name is raw underscore orders. Okay. Truncate branch underscore orders. Truncate silver underscore orders. Truncate gold underscore orders. You can see select the data. It is going to say no data. Right? Now let's rerun once again. Let's rerun this one. Click on run. So create raw table. Load data into raw table. Branch layer. Silver layer. And gold layer. and end. End also completed. Now let's verify the data. You can see select star from raw underscore address. You can see the data. Previous one, no data. Yes or no? Now we can confirm the complete project executed sequentially. Sequentially, only one thing we forgot to add this one. That is the reason flow is not executed properly. That's what we did not see in previous session. That's what we added this one in DAG file. Now it is executed successfully. Okay, clear writing. So end to end flow of Snowflake.